Hello viewers, welcome to the Standard 10 subject Science. In our previous video, we have started the chapter number 2 Acid, Base and Salts. In this chapter, we have learned the reaction of acid and base. In our recent previous videos, we have seen that all acids have similar chemical properties. What leads to this similarity in properties? We saw in activity 2.3 that all acids generate hydrogen gas on reacting with metals, so hydrogen seems to be common to all acids. In the activity 2.3 we have learned that all acids generate hydrogen gas on reacting with metals, so hydrogen seems to be common to all acids. Let us perform an activity to investigate whether all compounds containing hydrogen are acidic. So, we'll perform the activity 2.8 in this video to check all compounds containing hydrogen are acidic or not. So, let us begin the activity 2.8. The name of this activity is Acid Solution in Water Conducts Electricity. That is the name of this activity. And here is the figure for this activity. First of all, what are the things that we need to perform activity? Which is, first of all, this beaker, then the dilute HCl solution. Here is the 6-volt battery, bulb, switch. Here is the rubber clock. This is nail. Now let us start the procedure of this activity. First of all, we'll take solutions of glucose, alcohol and hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid, etc. In this figure, we have shown the dilute hydrochloric acid solution. We can also perform this activity by taking the solution of glucose, alcohol and sulfuric acid. Then, after taking the solution of HCl, we will fix two nails on a cork. So we will fix two nail on the cork and we'll place this cork in 100 ml beaker. Connect the nails to the two terminals of a 6-volt battery through a bulb and a switch as shown in this figure. Now pour some dilute hydrochloric acid in the beaker and switch on the current. Then we'll pour the hydrochloric acid solution and then turn on the switch. Repeat with dilute sulfuric acid. What do you observe? Then we will perform this activity with the sulfuric acid. Then what can you observe? Repeat the experiment separately with glucose and alcohol solutions also. Then what do you observe? Does the bulb glow in all cases? So we'll check with four solutions. First of all, dilute HCl solution, then sulfuric acid, then we will check with the alcohol, and the fourth one is glucose. In all cases, we have to check that either the bulb is glow or not. Now, what do you observe in this dilute HCl solution? Let us see the observation of this activity. So, glucose and alcohol solution do not conduct electricity, because the bulb will start glowing in case of acids as shown in that figure, but you will observe that glucose and alcohol solution do not conduct electricity. Glowing of the bulb indicates that there is a flow of electric current through the solution. The electric current is carried through the acidic solution by ions. Here, glucose and alcohol solution do not conduct electricity. Glowing of the bulb indicates that there is a flow of electric current through the solution. Next, so the acids contain H plus ions as cation and anion, such as Cl minus in HCl, NO3 minus in HNO3, and SO2 minus 4 in H2SO4. So these are the ions in these solutions respectively, and also CH3COO minus in CH3COOH. Next, since the cation present in acids is H plus, this suggests that acids produce hydrogen ions H plus aqueous in solution. So acid produce hydrogen ions in the solution, which are responsible for their acidic properties. Repeat the same activity using alkalis such as sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc. What can you conclude from the results of this activity that you have to observe? So, in this video, we have learned the reaction of glucose, alcohol, hydrochloric acid, and sulfuric acid. We have passed through the electricity in that solution, and we have observed that the bulb is glow or not. Hope you have understood very well. Thank you.